Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So, please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Here to update you what is happening at Orlu right now, but it is not for you to be panicked or fear, because we are here to witness the last miracle of Chukwukika Abiyama on earth. Biafra restoration is going to be the last miracle, because it is not in the hands of men to give us Biafra, but it's in the hands of Chukwukika Abiyama. They have brought fighter jet in Orlu now. They warn America, show to them and warn them not to bring to East. Is what they have brought now, and they have been firing since over 30 minutes now. But that is, we are not afraid of them. Nigeria as it stands now has no president. I wonder who is giving them order to come to our land and kill us. But we refuse to die anyway. They cannot kill us. We are in our father's land and we have the right to live. This intruder came to our land, think that they can kill us, but I'm mistaken. This only fight will be fought still finishing. We will fight this fight till the last man standing. There is nothing they can do us to drive us away from our land. There is nothing they can do to force us to be one Nigeria. There is nothing they can do to make us stop fighting for our freedom. And that is Biafra freedom. Bullet and gun can never solve this problem. The earlier they understand, the better for them. Because it is them that will come to our land to die. Because they came to kill us, they will end up losing their life. Because whatever things a man sows, so shall he reap. As they sow death, so shall they reap death in our land. The land of Biafra will open up its mouth and swallow all of them. They think we are joking. They think we are joking. And every war, every country that supports Nigeria, either in weapon or in catch, will be destroyed alongside with Nigeria. Mark my word. Every country that supports Nigeria in all this genocide that have been committing, either with gun or with catch, all of them will destroy alongside with Nigeria. They will never have peace, and they will never survive the problem that is coming to them. Then they will understand that we are the children of the Most High, and this is our land, the land of our ancestors, and we go nowhere. We are the legion. We go nowhere. So the world should take note that on these days, 11 days of March 2023, that or 12 to say, on the 12 days of March, today being Sunday, that the zoo, which is Nigeria Air Force, have come to our land with their fighter jet and be shooting randomly. They come with a mind to kill innocent citizens of Biafra. They come with a mind to destroy the land of Biafra. They come with a mind to eliminate and wipe us out of the face of this surface of earth. They come with a mind to take our land by force. They come with a mind to make sure that we do not exist any longer. But Chukwukika Abiyama, Chukwukika Abiyama, Chukwukika Abiyama will never allow them to succeed. Our ancestors will never allow them to succeed. As they come with death, so shall all die. They will all die in the land of Biafra. As long as they have come with death, death will visit them. Death will visit those who supply weapon to them. Death will visit those who supply catch for them. Death shall be upon them in Oke. Death shall they see in Ore. Death shall visit them in Afo. Death shall be their portion in Nkwo. Death shall be their portion in a day. Death shall be their portion in the night. Death shall be their portion on the water. Death shall be their portion on the land. Death shall be their portion in the sky. Death shall be their portion on the sun rising. Death shall be their portion on the sun going down. Death shall be their portion on the drying season. Death shall be their portion on the raining season. Death shall be their portion in everywhere they find themselves. They shall never escape death, because they brought death into Bìàfíràland, and death shall follow them all their days, all the days of their life and their family. So shall it be. So shall it be in the mighty name of Chukwu Okike Abịama. They will know that we are the children of the living God. They will know that we are the children of the Most High. They will know that we are the descendants of Abraham. They will know that the same covenant God has with Abraham as our forefather is with us. That he will destroy those who want to destroy us. They will know. Since they think we are joking, they will understand that we are not joking. They'll be meeting their death even today. They came since morning. The land soldiers have been here since morning, trying to see if they can penetrate. But they die in a large number. Now they now bring fighter jet. Fighter jet have been shooting its own, and then of no avail. But I'm here to tell the world, I'm not giving this message out as in fear. I am giving this message out to tell the world that they came into our land. We are in our land, but they came into our land to kill us. They came into our land to destroy us. They came into our land to force us to be one Nigeria, which we say no to. But because they came with the mind to kill us, death shall visit them. Now them go die. It is them that will die. I say now them go die, and it is them that will die. So I'm saying this for record purposes, because their media is messed up. Nigerian media is messed up. Before they will now go and begin to write rubbish on it, saying that now we find them trouble. We are on our land, oh, in Bìàfíràland. It is there that find us come. With the mind to kill us, but we refuse to die. Because this is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. We go nowhere. This land, whom our father hand over to us, we must hand over to our children. From our children to our children, children. From our children, children to our children, children, children. From our children, children, children to our children, children, children. If you don't like it that way, you go and die. Drink poison and die, because so shall it be. No human on earth can destroy us. Are the light you are seeing. We are the rising sun. As long as you cannot stop the rising sun, you cannot stop Biafra from existing. You only come here to die, and death will be your portion. Children of God, I brought this message to you to inform you and update you what is happening in Orlu right now. This is the battlefield. You all know. But Chukwu Okike Abịama is our victory. So we will never relent. We will never surrender until we finally win. Victory is for sure. Victory is for sure. Victory is for sure. For those of you who are already weak, thinking it's not going to be possible, arise. God have already granted victory. They are making their last fight. What they are doing is like when you cut off the head of the fowl and drop it on the ground. The fowl will still be shaking body. This is what Nigeria is doing now. The head of Nigeria have already been cut off. What they do is just to shake body. And you understand what it means. When they shake the body finish, they will finally rest and die forever. So they are shaking their body, but their head have already been cut off. So let's just watch them doing sha 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 sha. At the end, they will use their mouth and say, "Oh hey Biafra, oh hey Biafra, oh hey Biafra." This is the fight of the Chukwu Kikabiama. We go nowhere. The Chukwu Kikabiama thank all of you out there that are supporting this freedom in one way and another. Your sweat and your support will never be in vain. Your sweat and your support will never be in vain. For all those freedom lovers, I thank you so very much for your time. Keep sharing this to reach the world, so that those who are helping Nigeria will know that they will also take part in the destruction that is coming to Nigeria. Because whatever things a man sow, so shall he reap. Chukwu Kikabiama is alive and is out to destroy this contraction called Nigeria. And it will never stop. Biafra is a project that God cannot abandon. So if you think that Chukwu Kikabiama will abandon Biafra, you are joking. You are a joker. And you are joking. Because Biafra must be restored. Not next year, this year, or every living thing in Nigeria will die. It is not a threat. It is not a threat. As their machinery that have been bringing to Bìàfŕàland, what happened to them? Ask all their native doctors they hire to Bìàfŕàland, what happened to them? Ask them what they have been seeing day and night. Ask them what happened to them day and night. Ask them. They have been dying. Even without us shooting them bullet or gun. They have been dying. They have been dying. Many of them have been sleeping, never to wake up. They do not have idea what is coming. Go and study your slave book very well. All the plague that happened to Egyptian will happen to Nigeria. Study your slave book. When I say slave book, your Bible very well. Study your Bible very well. All the plagues that happened to Egyptian will happen to Nigeria. You have started. You have started. But you will not see the handwriting on the wall until God finally destroy the army and the soldiers of Nigeria in the Red Sea. Then you will wake up in the ghost land asking what happened, and nobody will answer you. God is out to restore Biafra. Let Biafra go. Let Biafra go. Or you will die here. And you will die for nothing. Share this message. And I will also use this privilege to tell our people on ground, please, obey Simon Ekpa. Obey every sit at home that we feast. It is for your own good. It is for your own good. Every sit at home feast is for your own good. We must be free this year. We must be free this year. It is us that own the oil that sustain Nigeria and Britain. Imagine when we are in charge of our mineral resources. With our road be like this. With our land be like this. With our children suffer like this. Think about it. Every sit at home is for your own good. Sit at home. Sit at home. Let us cripple Nigeria before we finally bury them. Since they did not want peace, they will never see peace. Please, follow every instruction given to you by Simon Ekpa. It is the second in command that is leading this struggle. As for now, the spirit choose him. Dance according to his tune. Dance according to his tune. Dance according to his tune. Let us liberate Biafra once and for all. As for Nigeria and its army and machinery, they have come to die, and they will die now and forevermore. Ise, Ise, Ise. Hòórírìbڵè Biafra.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.